In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the most optimal DNS server for your connection. So finding out the most optimal DNS for your specific connection can help you get better upload and download speeds, and it can also help you get lower ping and delay inside of any games that you may play. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So instead of manually pinging a bunch of servers inside of command prompt and trying to find the most optimal, we're going to be using an application called DNS Jumper to help you find the best DNS for your specific server. So to get started, you need to first open up your browser, and now you need to open up the link that I have provided in the description below. This is going to be the download link for DNS Jumper. This application is absolutely safe and free to use. So on this website, you need to scroll all the way down till you see this white download button. You might see a bunch of ads which might also have the download button like this one, but do not click on this. Scroll all the way down till you see this download button. Click on this. Now your download should start. Once your download is complete, you need to locate the zip file and now just simply extract it. Once done extracting, you need to open up the DNS Jumper folder, and inside of here, double click on the dnsjumper.exe application. Just click on yes, and now inside of DNS Jumper, you need to first make sure that you have all network adapters enabled inside of this drop down, so that this setting is applied to all the network adapters that are available on your computer. Next, we're going to flush our DNS cache, so just click on this button and you'll hear a small chime, and you'll also see a notification. It says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Once you have done this, you need to next click on the fastest DNS button. Now this window will open up. Inside of here, you need to click on start DNS test, and what this is going to do is run a latency test on all of the available popular DNS servers, and after doing that, it's going to show you the most optimal DNS with the lowest response time. So currently for me, it's this one, but do keep in mind that these could change depending on when you are testing the connection, because there's a bunch of factors that affect the performance of a DNS server, like the amount of traffic and the time that you are accessing the server. So I would recommend that every single time you log on to your computer, you run a DNS test and apply the most optimal DNS. So once the test is complete, click on apply DNS server, and again you will get a notification which says DNS successfully changed. Once this is done, you can close this window, and now as you can see, our custom DNS server has been applied. Now you should see an improvement in your Wi-Fi or Ethernet performance, so make sure to test this out. Let me know in the comments if this helps you out. That is going to be pretty much it for this video. If it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. If you'd like me to optimize your network or your PC or laptop for gaming, you can check out the link below in the description for my service. It's got a bunch of 5-star reviews, and I've got a lot of happy clients who got the results that they wanted. Also, if you'd like to support me inside of the Fortnite item shop or inside of Epic Games Launcher, you can use the code 72creed. That is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.